Osteoporoz kasalligi afsuski deyarli simptomlarga ega emas. Oddiy til bilan aytganda, osteoporoz degani bu suyaklarda kalsiy moddasi kamaylashadi va suyaklarimiz nihoyatda nozik bo'ladi. Savol tug'iladi. Qay tarzda biz bilishimiz mumkin? Bizda osteoporoz bormi yoki yo'qmi? Ushbu savol bilan biz New Yorkdagi All Health markazining bosh endokrinologi doktor Sharafatxoga murojaat qilamiz. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
So the first question, what are the ways to diagnose osteoporosis?
Osteoporosis, first, if the patient has signs of it, usually it doesn't have symptoms because the symptoms of osteoporosis only fracturing and causing pain. Without fracture, you don't have pain. But we have to diagnose it by their signs. If they are bending forward with the age, or they have non-traumatic fractures.
With the age, which age?
Women after age of 65 is recommended, and male after age of 70 every 2 years to do bone density to diagnose them.
Okay, and the last, yes.
And with the risk factors, you can do these tests earlier age.
Can the representative of Uzbek community here in New York have an appointment with you?
Definitely, they can make appointment with the All Health. I work in Brighton first and in Easterton, and make an appointment with my staff.
Thank you. Hurmatli New Yorkdagi vatandoshlarimiz, demak, doktor aytib o'tgan testlardan va tekshiruvlardan o'tish kerak va oldindan mana shu kasallik bormi yoki yo'qmi, bu narsani bilib olishimiz uchun doktorning ikkita ofisi bor. Shu yerda East 13 va Kings Highway'dagi All Health markazi va Brighton Beach'da ham ofislari bor. Kerakli telefon raqamlarini ushbu video tagida yozib qoldiraman. Bemalol telefon qilib shifokor bilan appointment qilishingiz mumkin. Ular bemalol ingliz tilida, rus tilida, qolaversa fors tilida gaplashadilar. Xudo xolasa o'zbek tilini ham o'rgatib boramiz. Bu degani Mr. Otabek TV kanalida va All Health markazida yaxshilik va profilaktika bilan ko'rishganda ko'rishguncha. Tashakkur ziyod.
Xeyli mamnun. Merci.